Well, hello everybody. My name is Cole Cracklio, and this is going to be my second video investigation talking about elements, minerals, and rocks. So let's dive right into it. So the element I chose was silicon. It's a pretty popular element that we've talked about in class, and it's very important. A couple interesting facts. It's the second most abundant element by weight on Earth, second only to oxygen. It is over 90% of Earth's crust is actually made of a silicate-containing mineral or compound. It's very abundant on Earth's crust. It is responsible for a dangerous lung disease called silicosis, and that can occur if you're breathing in for long periods of time, and that's getting your lungs can cause that disease. It is solid at room temperature. It is also the main element in many meteorites, and it is hard enough to scratch glass, as we have seen in various labs in our class. And as a real-world application, it's used in many computer components. You can see that in the Silicon Valley, where there was a bunch of people going to get that silicon and using it to make computer components. So the mineral I chose that has silicon in it is going to be quartz. Again, a pretty popular one in the class. The formula for quartz is going to be SiO2 with 2 oxygen and 1 silicon. And with that, they form these crystal formations like this. And yeah, they look like that. They're usually clear, but they can be a bunch of different types of colors. And the rock I chose with silicon and quartz is going to be sandstone. This is a pretty common rock. You can find this in many different places. It's a sedimentary rock, and it's usually formed in beaches and deltas. It can be found in many places in Arizona in these beaches and deltas. It can also be found as red sandstone, as a layer of the Grand Canyon. That is red sandstone that you can find, and that's going to be found in Arizona as well. Alright, here are my references, guys. I appreciate you listening to my presentation, and you guys have a wonderful night.